Hello there and welcome to another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer presented by ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. Of course, we are back at it again with Italian attorney Marco Permunian, and I am Rafael Di Furia. And in this week's episode, I wanted to ask Marco about taxes, specifically for Italian citizens. And for someone who becomes an Italian citizen, will they become liable to pay Italian taxes?
Of course, this is one of the most common concerns the people who are going through the process of applying for citizenship by descent have, especially people who are going through that process while residing abroad. And of course, people are concerned about having to pay taxes once they obtain their Italian citizenship. But luckily, Italy does not require individuals who do not reside in Italy to pay any taxes in Italy on their income. And even, for instance, if you do purchase a property in Italy, you will have to pay taxes only on that property. And even if, for instance, you do pay taxes in Italy, or if you open a company in Italy, you will not have to pay your personal income tax in Italy just because you have a property or because you started a business in Italy. Of course, the property will be taxed. The business will have to pay taxes in Italy, but you will need to pay taxes in Italy only on the condition that you become a resident of Italy from a legal standpoint. And that requires that you file an application through the local town hall to become a resident. And of course, that is normally done once you actually want to relocate to Italy long term. So if you're just visiting Italy, you don't have to be worried about having to pay taxes. But of course, if you're staying for longer than 183 days, then you might be considered a tax resident of Italy from a legal standpoint, even if you did not establish residency from a legal standpoint.
Well, thank you so much, Marco, for answering this week's question and making yourself available. And of course, for more information like this, be sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel for episodes of Ask the Italian Lawyer, the Italian Citizenship Podcast, and the Italian Real Estate Podcast. We have again been here with Italian attorney Marco Permunian from ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. I'm Rafael Di Furia. This has been another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer. Stay safe and healthy out there, and we'll see you all next time. Thank you.
Thank you.